welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today we are going to see review of Mysore Sandal soap. But before that, if you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit like button. You will able to see that this soap comes in a box packaging. They are in market since 1916. You will able to see the name of the product, that is Mysore Sandal soap, and they have mentioned that it's only soap with pure sandalwood oil. Now let's see what is there on the back side of the packaging. They have mentioned that sandalwood oil is a nature's gift which emanates a lingering fragrance and keeps your skin glowing, soft, blemish free, forever beautiful. This soap is made from vegetable oil, contains pure natural Mysore sandalwood oil distilled by KSNDL with skin care conditioners and moisturizers. A geographical indication registry product, and they have mentioned the key ingredient. If you want to read the key ingredient of this product, then please pause this video. Also, I am going to mention the key ingredients in the description box below. This soap is manufactured by Karnataka Soaps and Detergents Limited, a government of Karnataka undertaking. They have even mentioned the manufacturing address of this soap. You can even contact them on their customer care at toll-free number, and even they have mentioned their email ID. Like this, they have mentioned that it's a toilet soap, grade 1, TFM 80%, net weight when packed 75 gram, and the MRP of this product is 38 rupees, inclusion of all taxes. Package date is December 2020, and the manufacturing license number they have mentioned, and it's best before 3 years from the date of packaging. So you will able to see the screen top. It says that it's a vegetarian product. On the right side of the packaging, you will able to see that it's excellent for complexion. Now I will tell you how Mysore Sandal soap is excellent for your complexion. Mysore Sandal soap is good soap. Sandalwood oil keeps your skin blemish free, forever young and beautiful. In Ayurveda, sandalwood oil has been described as healthy for skin with its antiseptic properties. Here, question arises is, can I use this soap on my face? Yes, you can use this soap for your face as a substitute of face wash, as it makes your face well moisturized. So you don't need to apply separate moisturizer for your face. Even if you have oily skin, you can use this soap on your face. So basically, this soap is for all skin types. Now we will open this soap and we will see how it looks from inside. It has plastic packaging to protect the soap. So now I will open this soap and show you. Once you open this soap, you will able to smell the mild fragrance of sandalwood. You will be able to purchase this soap at nearby general store, medical stores, and even I have mentioned the purchase link in the description box below. That's all for today, guys. Do purchase this soap and try it out, and share your views in the comment section below. Thank you.